So when it comes to hook and loop, there's an awful lot to choose from. In the self-adhesive range, there are the woven hook and loop, and they have a range of different adhesives to choose from. There is the low profile, so that is a plastic extruded hook, extra thin or low profile. There is the velour corresponding loop. Again, a range of adhesive options available for these. So they are your self-adhesive. There are some specialists such as the high profile plastic hook tapes. These come in a range of adhesive options, a range of widths. So there are plastic tapes available. In the sew-on range or non-adhesive, you can have the standard woven hook and loops. They are available in various widths, various colours, and there are a few options from premium to basic that you can choose from. There are also, in the non-adhesive, low profile plastic hook tapes, and again they pair with a velour non-adhesive loop. There are specialist tapes like the 2-in-1 or Omni tape, which is rows of loop followed by rows of hook. So it's a single hook and loop tape in one piece. There are even elastic tapes in both hook and loop. There is the one wrap range, which is a plastic extruded hook with a velour loop, and it just self-grips. You can make your own strapping. This is also available in a cable tie, which is die cut, ready to use in a range of sizes and colours. And then of course there are the buckle straps or ring straps, again available in a range of widths and options as to a front ring, a back ring, or even a buckleless strap. So there are a ton of options available. All of this and much more on our website, hookandloopfasteners.co.uk.